Hello and welcome to our progress video report. Now we are using the I2S microphone MNF441. It is a MEMS microphone. As you can see, it's not so big, it's tiny, but so powerful. It can give us the uh, digital audio output. There is no need to use the analog to digital converter. As a scenario, we considered that try to uh, get audio signals and audio data from the this microphone and try to save this audio data in a memory via using the DMA, setting the DMA. Okay, and after that we try to send this audio data recorded in the memory. Let's start as a new project. We can go to uh, multimedia part. If you can see at the left side of the screen, as you know, we have three I square S. One of them has already reserved and we cannot use. I try to use the I square S2 and try to set it for receiving data from our microphone. And for this purpose here, after selecting I to S2, we can go here for selecting the mode. And in the mode, we can try to select half duplex slave because the peripheral set, uh, because we are trying to receive data via I square S2 from the microphone. Okay. In the parameter setting, we have here several options for the communication standard. I square S Philips is okay. For me, in this project, we are using the 24 bus data on 32 bus frame. We can use it, and for audio frequency, we preferably try to 48 kilohertz. And then here it is a parameter setting finish, and we are going to the setting DMA. But before it, we should make sure transmission mode, as we said, we are in a slave as a receiver. We can set it also. Then we can go to the DMA setting. In DMA setting, we can add a DMA. Now we have SPI2 as receiver, and RX, yes, for receiving signals. For the mode of work, we prefer to have circular buffer, and also here we have set it as a memory, and because we want to save on the memory and try to for us half board as data bits. Okay, it is finished now, and we are trying to I think it is complete for setting the port of I square 2. Now my friends Anwar can describe you about the second part of our scenario for testing the uh, our audio saving and transmitting. Please, Anwar.
For transmitted audio data from memory to speaker, we have to set I square S3 as master transmitter.
Yes, thank you so much. Because our connection is remote. Let me, I instead of you set it, Anwar, as you have ordered us before and setting. Here we can use we can select I square S3 and as half duplex master and click the master clock output. Then we can also come to parameter setting. This parameter setting we have here master transmit, because as Amber told, we are trying to sending data from our memory in this section. We want to transmit data from the memory to another peripheral set as our speaker. Okay, for this reason, we need to set it as a master transmitter. And the other is also same, also I2S, and also be sure about the quality, the frame format, and the frequency the same. And then I think we are ready to generating code. Let us try to generate the code now. Yes, here in the GPIO also we can test. In I2S, there are I2S3, and the I2S3 is for a speaker, and the I2S2 is for setting. And you and my friend stuff.
Thank you so much, Mano and Anwar. And now, as you can see, after generating this code, uh, we can see for I square S2, we have to connect clock into PB10. And also for word select, we have to connect to PB12. And for serial data, we have to connect I square S3, I square S2 serial data to PC3. This one for receiving data from microphone and store it into memory. And also for transmitting data with I square S3, maybe we can do it later because now we don't have a speaker. Uh, we can connect word select into PA4 and serial data to PC1. And the most important thing, we have to set power and a ground. The most important thing for power, we have to use 3.3 volts instead of 5, because 5 maybe it will damage the microphone. So we have to take care about this voltage. Now, after that, we will do wiring physically, and we will show you how to connect the microphone into microcontroller.
Thank you so much, Taha.
Okay.
Let's try to go to the wiring. And a moment, please.
Okay, as you can see here, we have the Nucleo board STM32 F446RE, and here we have INMP 441 board for microphone I square S, and this is the wire for connecting microphone into our board STM32, and here's the board diagram. As you can see here, we have serial data, we have word select, and we have VDD for power and for ground as well. So we will be connecting these ports into the destination in this microcontroller.